Hello everyone. This video will show you what to do if drag and drop isn't working in Windows 11. Method 1. Use the Alt+Tab shortcut. Navigate to the location where the file, folder that you want to move is saved. Select it, press and hold the left mouse button, and drag the file a little. With the file still grabbed, press the Alt+Tab keys to view all the apps open in the taskbar. This will launch a new screen where all the open apps will be listed as separate tiles. Now, while holding the Alt key, press Tab to navigate through the open windows. Release Alt when the desired destination is selected. Once the destination window launches, release the left click to drop the file. This way you can easily move files between apps and get rid of the drag and drop feature not working problem. Method 2. Modify the registry. Press Windows+R, type regedit and run box. Click OK. Now navigate to the following path using the pane on the left. Right-click on the empty space, hover the cursor over New, select Dort 32-bit value, and name it as UndockingDisabled. This key will fix the problem in no time. Right-click on it and select Modify from the context menu. Enter 1 in the field under Value Data and click on OK to save the changes. Close the registry editor. Restart your computer.